Yo, time for another shitty video. So I'm gonna play this game called Will You Press the Button? And you know, it's like a statement here, and that will happen if I press the button, and here's the side effect. So let's go. You will go into the world on your favorite series, but you'll be able to interact with your favorite character. You will not be able to interact with your favorite character. I'm not gonna do that. No. Sorry. What the fuck is this? Good, I guess. Okay. You will get to date any video game character you want. Everyone else in the video game will hate you. Okay. So, as you can see, I have a poster of Harlequin here. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. Yeah. Okay. You will live as long as you like. You have to live for at least 200 years. Yeah, worth it. Definitely worth it. Dying is not cool. You are the best FPS player ever, and you could make millions in contests. You hate every... Okay, so I'll make millions playing FPS games, but I'll hate playing it. It's worth it. I don't think, you know, there are more better games than FPS games, so I'll plus it. Good. Okay. You'll get 20 wishes, no limitations. 20 wishes, that's a lot of wishes. Every downside with a number doubles i.e. if you lose 2 hours of your life every time you blank, now you lose 4? The fuck is this? Yeah, I'm gonna not press. I don't understand it. That's bad. Sorry. Your sex appeal will increase over night out only as much as your drunkenness increases. Okay, so if I get drunk, I get more attractive? Is that what's going on? Your sex appeal. Yeah, I guess. Okay, there's no downside, so I'll press it. I mean, if I'm gonna be drunk, might as well be attractive. You become Doctor Who's companion. Your friends and family are put into a mortal danger and might even die. Doctor Who is not some shitty TV show. No, thank you. Fastest number in the world. No, fastest runner in the world. Fall down every other step. No, thank you. Nope. You never get tired while running. The moment you stop running causes fatigue based on how long you ran. Okay, so you never get tired of running, but when you stop running, you like it hurts you really bad. So I don't like running that much. So no. Okay, you'll be the next Shakespeare. You cannot autocorrect. Ooh. I have really bad spelling mistakes, so I'm not gonna do that. It was a good question though. If I would have been good at spelling, then I would have pressed the button. Date the hottest person in your life. Become their sex slave. Yeah, worth it. Definitely worth it. Your toys come to life like in the Toy Story movies. Like Andy, you never see them. Okay. I don't have any toys, so nope. Doesn't matter. You understand quantum numbers immediately. Your teacher forces you to teach the one kid who never gets it or does any work. Also, your grade depends on how well they do. Quantum. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I need to get good grades. Sorry. You are elected to be the president. There are no dudes bad enough to rescue you in the cause of ninja abduction. What? That's a bad question, but there are no downsides. I'll be president, but I mean, ninja abduction? Come on. There are no ninjas here. You can have anything you want with the snap of your fingers. The entire right side of your body receives second-degree burns. And nothing, not even your booty, can hide or remove scars. So, what if I snap my fingers accidentally? No. The thing is, that's a good question. I think I'm gonna not press it. Like, you know, let's say I can have anything I want. What's the best thing you could have? A Lamborghini? A gun? I mean, a mansion? I don't know. It's not worth it. Okay, you will eradicate racism, sexism, and your negative judgment from any law or rule. No one will know you did it because you'll be known as the most negative judgmental person in history. Okay, they say I'll eradicate racism and sexism, like when I'm in a court or something. Like the judge won't say, "Oh, you're sexist, you're racist," but everybody will see me as a judgmental person. Probably, I'll press it. You gain exponential vision, you can see further in more detail in the dark, you lose your sense of smell. I mean, that's pretty much the case already. My sense of smell is pretty bad, and I can see in the dark really good, so I mean, won't make much difference to me. You have 50% chance of winning $5 million in a lottery, but if you don't win, you'll lose the connection to your family. $5 million. That's a lot of money. That's like as much money as I'll need in an entire lifetime. Probably. No, not. Yeah. Thing is, will there be tax on the lottery? Will I have to pay like 70% to the bank? I mean, if this is without tax, I'll press it. But if there's no tax, then I won't press it. So you know. Yeah, you'll become cool. You will lose all your current friends. I don't give a shit about being cool. Sorry. You lose your arms in an accident. You get a robot arm that's capable of crushing cars, and you'll have to charge 12 hours a day. I'll lose both my arms. The thing is, will the arms be able to play games and touch stuff and stuff like that? So if they won't, then no. You become a high functioning sociopath blogger. Watch him jump off a building to his death. Who? Watch him jump off. You become a high functioning sociopath. I don't get it. I don't get it. You only get to see the best buttons. All the kids who make bad buttons will be sad. Buttons? What the fuck? Buttons? You mean like keyboard buttons or this kind of button? I don't know. Oh, this game probably. Yeah, I'll get to make when I play the game. The only best buttons will come up, and when other people play the game, all the bad buttons will come up and they'll be sad. Okay. Yeah, I think I would press the button because I'm selfish. Go to any university of your choice. Degree is worthless. What's the point of going to university if you don't get a degree? You get the power of becoming invisible. You can only do it as long as you're holding your breath and are naked. Okay. Sure. Why not? You have the best romance of your life plus great sex. It has to be with a girl or guy closest proximity to you right now. Oh, look. Luckily my mom's not home. Yes. But there's two old ladies living right next to me. No. Sorry, I don't like grandmas. You will get invisibility at will, only to see same-sex naked people. Got it. No. You would stay as young and healthy as you are now. 16, I'm pretty healthy. Whatever. You could only live 10 years after the button is pressed. No. This would be good to old people, like if you're 60 or something. You can join your favorite TV series, game, etc. You can only be a villain. Yeah. And the villain that I would be would be the Joker. You are part of SHIELD. Every time you close your eyes, you see Loki, Agent Coulson over and over again. I'm not a big Marvel fan, so I don't give a shit about SHIELD. Gain knowledge of everything. Forget everything you already know. So I'll know everything except what I already know. But I know about humans and animals and stuff like that. So will I not know about humans? What? Will I not know that math and stuff? No, it says here that I'll only forget about personal stuff. My name, my age, my parents, my friends. That's a good question. Tough one. I think I'll get a knowledge of everything. That means that I can make gold, I can get any bitch I want, I can make anything I want, I can do anything, so it's probably worth it. Probably. Valve releases Half-Life 3. You have to watch someone play the entire game before you can. I mean, I've never played the Half-Life games, but people say it's pretty good, so I'm gonna press it. You get to marry the person of your dreams. Your best man, bridesman, what? Okay, so my best man and the bridesmaid will die at the wedding. Man, what's up with this? My friends dying and stuff. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. Nah, plenty of fish in the sea. No. You can live in any fictional world you choose. You're permanently stuck there. I think I'll press it. You're able to foresee into the future. Each time you do, you lose a part of your memories. Yeah, sure. I hope there's bad memories though, not the good ones. You can change into any person in the world, it's permanent. Probably. You can kill the viewer every time one of his fangirls will hunt you down and... Okay, one of his fangirls. I can kill Justin Bieber, but one of his fangirls will try and hunt me down. But Justin Bieber is kind of fading away slowly into the darkness. So I don't see him sticking around for any longer. So I'm not gonna do it. Okay. You gain the ability to go back in time. You can never return. I mean, I like this stuff and the iPads and the technology, so I'm not gonna go. School doesn't start until whenever you decide to wake up. You fail all your classes. No. Yeah, I think I'm done with this game. Bye!